What's really impressive about this mask is the technology of this mask. Not only is it red light therapy and near infrared light therapy, but it uses FPT, which is photothermal therapy. I'll be going more in depth about that in just a moment. So what does this mask do? It is going to help to minimize wrinkles, fine lines. It is going to help to even out skin tone, minimize hyperpigmentation, improve skin texture, improve firmness. So it's going to help to increase elasticity, all of those things that we want help with as a mature aging person. They have done clinical studies of their own, and they are indicating that they have seen wrinkle reduction within the first 4 weeks of using this mask. Their before and after photos are definitely impressive. Let's go ahead and talk about the specifications of this device. It is FDA cleared, and it uses a patented nanomolecular food grade silicone to eliminate any possible irritation on your skin if you have a really sensitive skin. I can tell you just from my experience and other masks that I've used that this is very high quality. This is definitely probably one of the most high quality masks that I have tried. I love that it has the 2 straps, and the straps are Velcro, so it's really easy on and off. Please note that if you have rosacea, they are indicating not to use this mask, and I'm assuming that that is because of the near infrared light that gives off a bit of heat, and heat can aggravate rosacea, so just keep that in mind. It uses 140 light beams, and what's really impressive about those light beams is that FPT technology. So I'm going to nerd out a little bit and talk to you about that technology. So it's called FPT, which is Focus Photothermal Therapy. JOVS has worked with optical solution experts to create new optical components that will improve light utilization. Throughout this research, they have invented a chip that is able to use the FPT technology with the red light therapy and near infrared light therapy. That is the first thing that I noticed with this mask right away when I put it on and I used it, is that those light beams are very narrow and very targeted to the specific area on the skin. So with other masks that I use, the light is, it's like you're losing the light because all of the light is like dissipating. I shouldn't say all, but a lot of the light is dissipating around the mask, in the eye area. You definitely need to close your eyes. I can't walk around, so there's very minimal multitasking with other masks. I can't, walk around. I definitely just need to sit still, close my eyes, and relax, meditate, which I love, but there's definitely times when I would love the opportunity to be able to multitask. That is something that you can do with this. The light on here is so narrow and so precise. I mean, I'm assuming you're not losing any light. For sure, I can't say that if you're losing any light, obviously, but you can definitely tell the difference. You can walk around with this mask. You can watch YouTube videos, a movie, do chores, vacuum. It has a clip on here as well, so you can clip it on yourself and just kind of move around. And there's a lot more multitasking that you can do with this mask. Another super creative thing about this mask is that the wavelengths of this mask are different on specific areas of the skin to ensure that you are getting the exact wavelength for that particular area, because our skin is thicker and thinner and has specific concerns that are different in each area. So let me give you an example. The waveform on the forehead is 850 nanometers. So that's going to help with the forehead lines. The eye socket and dark circles are 660 nanometers. The cheek area is 950 nanometers. And then the nasolabial folds right here that can get really droopy and saggy is actually 1064 nanometers. That's excellent. Another thing, they have 3 different modes that are tailored to solve your skin issue. And each mode has different time frames for the treatment. You can do a 10-minute treatment, a 15-minute treatment, or a 20-minute treatment. Mode 1 is more of a soothing, calming mode that is going to be for people that have dry, oily, or sensitive skin. You are just kind of starting to see those signs of aging. This is going to be the mode for you. Mode 2 is going to be your brightening mode. It is going to help with dark circles, eliminate your hyperpigmentation, redness on the skin, blemish spots. It's going to help to really even out the skin tone. Mode 3 is going to be that deeper, more advanced signs of aging. So if you have just started your skincare journey and you have more advanced signs of aging, you're probably going to want to go in with mode 3. What is nice is that you can, kind of customize the different mode and the treatments based on your problems. So they also in their manual recommend certain treatments to combine with based on what your concern is. So for example, for me, I've been going strong with my hyperpigmentation. So I've been actually doing mode 2 for 20 minutes, about 4 days a week. And then 1 day a week, I'm doing mode 2 for 10 minutes. And then the depth mode, mode 3, for 10 minutes. You can use this mask every day. I use it 5 times a week. If you are just starting to see those advanced signs of aging, then I think that you could definitely do this mask 5 to 6 times a week. I don't think you need to do it every day. Another thing that I really like about this mask as well is that I find that the charge on it lasts quite a bit. Probably about 7 to 10 days, depending obviously on how long your treatment is going to be. But I've had it last 10 days. I've had it 7 days if I'm doing 20 minutes every day. So I like that. I'm not charging it, like every other day. So let's talk about how this works. On clean skin, you are going to want to put the mask on, and then you are going to click the power button, which is right down here. The top part says plus and minus is going to be the mode. So this is going to be mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. And then the bottom part, it's got a little clock on here, and that is going to be your time. So the first one, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. Hold for a couple of seconds the power button and it goes off. It's super easy, and it will also beep to let you know when the treatment is over. Let's talk about some cons of this device. Honestly, I really don't have any cons of this device. I think this is super high quality. I think it's beautiful. The one con definitely is the price of this device. However, it is a really high quality device.